Welcome, everyone, to a special edition of Travels with Danny. Today, we are on the Newport Bay Golf Course at the Ocean City Golf Club, attempting an irrigation repair below sea level. So what we have here is a 4-inch main line that connected to a ductile iron T 4x4x2, which then connected to a relief valve of 2-inch size that needed to be replaced. Tucker, you want to lift up that relief valve? All right, so this is my compadre, Tucker Birch, and this was the failed 2-inch relief valve that we would use to open up in the wintertime to drain the system and winterize it. So the goal was to eliminate that 2-inch valve and then replace it with a new one, and we have the new one built here. It's a little bit heavier size, 3-inch, but that's what we had in stock. So we have that ready to go. But the problem right now is that we are working on the Newport Bay course, hole number 13, which is located right on, of course, Newport Bay. And right now, we're below sea level. Yeah, so there it is. We're basically pumping the bay out, and we're not going to be able to complete the repair until the bay goes down. So wish us luck, but keep in mind that anything is possible. After all, the Panama Canal was built by hand.
And it wasn't built in one day.
That's right, and it wasn't built in one day, but it was completed. All right, thanks for joining us. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.